Good day, everyone. We are privileged to present to you our research entitled Print Teach and Friendships, an intervention in improving mathematics for low-performing grade 7 students. Education in times of pandemic was very challenging. Students were not able to go to school to study, therefore distance learning was implemented. Students' new environment for learning was their home. And because of that, additional challenges occurred, especially in terms of students' performance in mathematics. To help students who were struggling with that matter, the researchers developed learning materials and activities to improve their skills. The print teach and print sheets are the learning materials that can help students in learning mathematics, especially those students in modular classes. In this study, the following questions will be the mainstay of the research in improving mathematics for low-performing grade 7 students using print teach and print sheets. 1. What is the result of the pre-test and post-test of the respondents? 2. Is there a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test? 3. What intervention program can we apply in the study? For the key literature, this research was reported by the given studies.
For methodology, we have letter A. The participants of the study will be chosen using the purposive sampling. The participant will be chosen according to their final grade in Mathematics 6, ranging from 75 to 79. Letter B. Data collection. Number 1, pre-test. This will be done before immersing the learners in the new normal approach such as modular teaching platforms. Number 2, post-test. This will be utilized after the implementation of the intervention. For ethical issues, the participants will be given a consent form and be applied by Data Privacy Act of 2012. Letter C, Data Analysis Plan. The study uses qualitative research design such as mean, standard deviation, paired sample t-tests. For the findings, we have the following table 1 and table 2, the performance of the students before and after the implementation of printage and print sheets. For the implication, based on the result of the study, there is a significant difference in the mathematics performance of the subjects after the implementation of printage and print sheets because p-value of 0.001 is less than the alpha level of the significance of 0.05. This implies that the intervention printage and print sheets is an effective strategy to improve the mathematics skills of grade 7 students.
The purpose of this study was to improve the mathematics skills of low-performing students, thus intervention was made. Based on the findings, it can be concluded that print teach and print sheets was effective tool. For the recommendation, for the future researchers, they continue giving supplemental materials in enhancing the mathematical skills of the students. Based on the data result, it shows that printed and printed were effective learning materials for low-performing students. Here are the references. Thank you.